Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am your Virbo AI avatar. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account and use Virbo AI, a fantastic tool for creating virtual characters and AI-powered content. But before we dive in, there are a couple of things you should know. Firstly, with the free version of Virbo AI, you can create videos up to 2 minutes in length. If you want to create longer videos, you'll need to purchase one of their packages. However, if you're not ready to buy a package just yet, don't worry. I'll provide the link in the I button above to the video where I explain how to use Virbo AI for free. So let's dive in. The first step is to open your browser and type Wondershare Virbro. Click the website that appears first. You can generate an AI video online by clicking Generate AI Video Online. The first thing we need to do is create an account. Sign up using your Google account. Our account has been successfully created. Here is the home page. You can see there are so many features like taking photos, video translation, text-to-speech. You can export your avatar only, and you can clone your voice. AI avatars and voice cloning are also available. As you can see, there are a lot of avatars. You are free to choose whoever you want. Let's take a look at the second option, video templates. As you can see, there are a lot of templates. There are different categories for each template. You can choose any category according to your needs. This page contains popular video templates for e-commerce, explain videos, advertisements, festivals, and social media. You can search for popular templates here, such as features, discounts, demonstrations, marketing festivals, and services. The third option is My Creations. Here you will find all the videos we have made or are working on. You can find tutorials here about Virbo. If you're interested in learning more, click here. Now let's go home and make a video. To create an AI avatar video, click the Create AI Avatar Video button. You can select the aspect ratio here. Click on the Create Video button. You will be able to access this interface. You can choose any avatar. I select this one. Select any other avatar if you wish to change it. Here is where you can write your prompt. I have already prepared the prompt, so I'll paste it. You can change the speed, pitch, and volume of your video from here. The video background can be changed from here. A variety of beautiful backgrounds are available, including basic, simple, lifestyle, festivals, e-commerce, business, and 3D horizontal backgrounds. This is the one I'll choose. Choose Close Up if you want to see the full avatar. You can choose Circle View if you want your avatar to appear in a circle. Click this option if you want half of the avatar to appear. I will select the close-up option. Now click on Preview to see your video in preview mode.
In a world where creativity knows no bounds, one tool stands out above the rest, empowering creators to bring their visions to life in stunning ways.
Once you are satisfied, click on Export. Your video will be ready after a while.
In a world where creativity knows no bounds, one tool stands out above the rest, empowering creators to bring their visions to life in stunning ways. Welcome to the world of Wondershare Virbro. In a world where creativity knows no bounds, one tool stands out above the rest, empowering creators to bring their visions to life in stunning ways.
If you want to upgrade your plan, click here to check. Check out these plans. If you want to view all plans, click here. And there you have it, folks. Whether you're creating short clips or diving into longer projects, Virbo AI has got you covered. Don't forget to check out the link in the I button above for a free access guide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!